everyone, and this is the Mad Hatter Diva and her Wonderland. Oh my goodness, I really sung that one this time, right? Oh my goodness, really? All right, guys, we have some good sales for you. Some great Amazon finds. Mad Hatter Diva did it again. I am so excited. And of course, where's my little co-host? My co-host over here. How are you today? I'm doing just fine. Oh, so now you're talking. So here we are. Here we are, guys. And thank you so much for tuning in and watching the videos. Okay, so we're very excited. So let us get going here because I want to get these sales to you right away. There's one in particular that's very interesting. I only have 5 of them left, and I said 5. So I'm going to get in so you can take a look at it, and maybe one of our followers will be able to get this wonderful sale and be able to purchase this item. That would be fabulous, right? Then you can just go right there on Facebook. You can go on Twitter and say, listen, I bought that item. Yay! I made it, which is kind of cool, right? All right, so let's get over here and let's go take a look at what we have up on the website today, one of our Amazon finds. So let's take a peek right now. Let's transition. Let's go, guys. Alrighty, we are in the website and we're going to quickly cursor down. And as you know, today we are, of course, are on at 9 o'clock. Oh my goodness. But hey, you know what? I think it's fantastic because we're here with you right now. And I always say sometimes nighttime can be a little bit of fun because you get to do some things that you can't do during the daytime, right? All right, let's keep going. Okay, I'm going to cursor down and let's look at some of the sales. Now, this is really very nice. This is and I don't know about some of you that like vintage and, old style stuff, but I thought this was cool. Like this RK Royal Kludge typewriter. It's so cool. I mean, if you're into gaming, and probably some of you young people don't know about the old typewriters, but some of you that are my age will probably know that the remember back in the day with the typewriter, the keys were really right there at you, and it was really kind of fun, and for me, I kind of like that style. So this is really cool, this typewriter style mechanical gaming keyboard. It also lights up, and when you're gaming, it gives you all the color, and at the same time, you got that retro, that back in the day. Well, that retro would be more, like the 1950s, 60s, kind of gives you that little feel, kind of fun. So do check that out. It was $69.99. It's on sale for $53.59. So I thought this was a really nice item. Also, I thought what a great sale as well. All right, so now moving on, we have a Hamilton Beach juicer machine, big mouth, large 3-inch feed chute for whole fruits and vegetables. This is so nice for those of you, and even for myself, to get some fresh juice in the morning, get your vegetables, put them in the juice machine, and there you are. You've got a delicious drink, and it's healthy for you and all that good stuff, right? I mean, I'm thinking about all the kind of things. If you have a pumpkin, you can even put some pumpkin, in there and add it with some vegetables, and you'd be surprised what kind of combinations you can make with this juicer. Now, it was $77.99. It is now on sale for $49.99. That's a big sale. It's a 4.7 out of 5 rating on Amazon. All right, now this one's a good Amazon find. You guys are going to like this really very, very much. The next hot sale that we have going on, for those of you that are fashionistas and the new style, they have so many different styles every year, and some of the styles come back, Well, now they're doing the curls, the little the curls for your hair, and especially if you have long length hair, shoulder length hair, it really looks absolutely cute, and you can make 6 to 16 inches big curls to like even the string, the stringer, like really nice curls. So it's very nice. This is the cheese spin in curl in onyx, and it's in black. Now when you go on, if you see the different colors, sometimes I don't know what it is, sometimes when you get different colors, the price goes up, which is insane. Anyway, this is a hot sale. It was $109.99. It's on sale, guys, for $58.64. You definitely want to get this. Makes a great gift item. What can I say? This is a good sale. Excellent sale. Now I found some other good Amazon finds. Let's check this out. It's the Guess 34 crystal watch, pink crystal. So it has like the pink in the center, which is kind of cool and very very nice tone, very fashion color. And it's a protective watch. It protects the watch. It doesn't get scratches and stuff like that. Again, the price for this, it was $105. It's on sale, guys, for $48.14. Woo! That's a very good price. I got to give a clap on that one. Love it, love it, love it. I love this show. Woo! And now, let's go to the next one. The air purifiers. This is definitely a must-have for those of you that have allergies. And you know how I have allergies and stuff, and I love the purifiers. They really keep my sinuses down and everything, and I can sleep in peace. Sleep not in peace, that sounds very ghoulish, doesn't it? No, but I can sleep at night and have a good sleep. It removes 99.97% of dust, pet dander, smoke, pollen. It's great for your home, your bedroom, for your office. It has a 4.6 out of 5 rating. It was $129. It's on sale for $97.62. You want this. Absolutely, you want this. Now, I'm going to move on over here. Now, you probably saw today that we have some really great Halloween recipes posted on the website today. And some of you have caught on. Some of you have even printed off the recipes. So, definitely, it's posted for a limited time. Be sure to go get it. These recipes are so awesome because you make it with popcorn and stuff, right? That's so easy, and it's so much fun for the kids. You know, so this is a great Amazon find. The original Popco silicone microwave popcorn popper with the handles. It has the handles on, so if it gets hot, you can kind of, take it out of the microwave. It is a collapsible bowl, MPA free, and dishwasher safe. It comes in 15 colors. Now, I got to tell you, remember I mentioned about the color thing and the different prices if it's a different color. If you get it in the aqua, the previous price was $19.99. The listed price was $19.99. It's on sale for $13.99. Get it, guys. Get it. This is a must-have. And then you can just also print off the recipes that we posted today, Halloween recipes. And there you go. You're all set for Halloween. That's pretty nice, huh? And then also, too, let's think about Christmas, too. Other holidays. You can also do some other things with popcorn. People string popcorn and put it on your Christmas tree. There's a lot you can do here. And, of course, I love popcorn. It's so delicious. And, of course, this is National Popcorn Month. Okay, right? We mentioned that earlier. It's true. National Popcorn Month, and that's October. So, definitely, this is an item you want to get. Now, let's go on here. We have the SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker. Misty Blue, Bubbly Bubble Drop, 4.6 out of 5 rating. It was $99.99. I didn't think this would ever drop, to be honest with you, in price, but it did. It is $74.99. $74.99. You definitely want to get this if you love that soda taste. A lot of times people love soda, but you want to do it in a healthy way. This is the way. I think this is really nice to do the SodaStream Sparkling Water Maker. Now, we have another item up here for you guys that have that. I don't know about you, but do you ever go to your kitchen cabinet and it's just so mad crazy, and pots and pans just fall everywhere. Even when you stack them up, and when you open up the cabinet, you dare to open up the cabinet because you know something's going to fall out. Well, this is really awesome. This is the pots and pan organizer for your cabinet. Isn't that kind of cool? It's a 3 DIY adjustable pan organizer rack for your cabinet. It's a definitely wonderful kitchen organizer. And I think it's really great. It has a pot lid organizer with it as well. It has a 4.4 out of 5 rating. It was $32.99. I dare not even say this price, but I'm going to say it. It's on sale now. Hot sale for $19.66. A must-have. You've got to get this item. Now, I'm going to pass this steamer because I talked about it yesterday, and I'm definitely going to get it. So we're going to do an unboxing this week on that steamer. So you're going to see that up there on the website. So don't say, oh, weren't you supposed to put something new? No, I want to put this up there because I'm ordering it. And by the way, if you have the Amazon Prime, of course, you can get it the next day. I have Amazon Prime. So definitely, I will get it right away, and then we'll do an unboxing on that. Now, getting back to Halloween. That's why I have on this hat today. Let's talk about some serious fun Halloween sales. And all this week, this section, we're going to put a few Halloween hot items and some Halloween sales. This one here definitely is a wonderful sale. Limited time only. It's a Halloween Men Jack backpack. 3D printed, large capacity laptop backpack. I think it's kind of ghoulish, right? Like, ooh, it's very scary, like, you know. It was $36.99. On sale price, guys, it's $29.99. I wanted to sound scary. $29.99. I think I more sound like Vincent Price. $29.99. No, I sound like the Dracula. $29.99. That's what. Okay, now I sound like the vampire. But that's not a vampire. That's the Men Jack backpack. But guys, it's on sale. Was $36.99, on sale for $29.99. Now we have a hot item. Psst, very hot. It's a unique. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's got a QZ at the front of it. So QZUnique. Okay, I got it. Halloween purse. It's very novelty. You know, I like my novelty purses, but this is really nice. It's shaped as a pumpkin, and it's great as a party gift, holiday, Halloween party gift. And you can just put candy in it, or just anything. Just have some fun. Or if you're going to that Halloween party, guys, hey, you want to have this bag. This is the bag to have. Now, it's on sale. Not on sale. It's a hot item. It's $22.19. And I'm just going to do a bell anyway. One little bell, because it's a hot item. $22.19. Great price. Definitely. This is something a must-have for Halloween. So now, let's go on to the next one. It's a hot item. Now, remember what I said. On here, when you see this fiery ball up here with the hot sales, that's when you have some really, that means they're on sale, hot, right? But here, I think this one's on sale. Is this on sale? No. This is not on sale. They only have 5 of them left. Oh, let me talk about this. Now, if it's a hot item, we're just saying it's a good deal. Not on sale, but it's a good deal. So here, this is the Halloween Sunshane 48 pieces Halloween pens, spider bat. Like, oh, it's very nice set of pens. 48 of them. So all you need is just to buy this, and you're all set in terms of passing it out, you know, or putting it into their Halloween bags or whatever, or gift bags. This is really nice. Now listen, they only have 5 of these left, so order soon. It's a 4.8 out of 5 rating. The price is $17.99, and I'm going to give a bell on that because it's a good deal, and they only have 5 left. Now I got to say this. I bought something one time on Amazon, and they said, oh, we only have so many left. And then the next day or 2 days later, I'm seeing this item. I'm thinking, I better hurry. Let me get it. They're not going to have it anymore. And then before you know it, there it is. I saw the item, and I started to get a little bit mad. But now we were saying, you know, you have to catch it while catch can, I guess, and then it may pop up. But let's hope that this doesn't show up like once they're sold. I don't see any more of these pens. Or let me put it this way: maybe if they have any more that they order, they might make it a higher price. I thought of that, so that could be it too. Well, guys, we went through our quick Amazon finds for the day, and so now I am going to quickly, of course, pop back in. Woohoo! Here I am. I popped right back in, and so you saw our Amazon finds. Woo! They were very nice. I love that Halloween, right? The pens. Don't forget, we only have 5 of those left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they're saying they only have 5 left. So you probably want to order that tonight. So definitely get your cards out, get busy, get to shopping. And I love late night shopping, especially when after I late night shop, I grab myself some slices of apple and everything, and then I'm out pretty much.